Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love and support. Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. Happy Mother's Day to all my viewers and subscribers. In this video I've come up to show you making of this beautiful earring pattern or the jewelry pattern designing using the normal stitching needle. It's beads work embellished with the stone, which is so simple to do and yet looks simple but gives really rich elegant look. You must try these type of patterns on your old blouses to turn into new designer blouses. Here I'd be using designer rings of gold color with the rhinestones. And this is how we have to apply the glue dots, and first stick the designer rings with the rhinestones, and next to that we need to give the circular shape like this. You can also use any coin for this drawing or the circular shape of any object. Mark a small line like this, and on that line I'd be inserting golden beads of two different sizes, small and the medium, and here I'd be stitching with the cotton silk thread and 9-number hemming needle for the stitching of these beads. And now stitching in the shape of U, inserted of almost 15 small beads here and giving an overlapping stitch like that. Here we are starting our beads work and continuing now with the circular shape. I had inserted almost 30 to 35 beads at a time and also applying the glue so that the perfection of the circle shape will not be disturbed. So this is how we have to apply the glue on the circular shape. And now I'd be inserting the needle to another side and ensure that the beads should be on this glue, which is exactly of circular shape. This will define the shape and also you will get your work to be done easily. Holding it firmly like this, give an invisible stitches on it. This is how the filling in the circle has to be made, one after another lines. Here I had inserted almost 18 beads and applying the glue again, giving an invisible stitches on it. The filling has done in this way. Now extending further with the beads of little bigger size and leaving a little gap. Here I'd be stitching almost 9 beads to give the hanging look. Firstly stitching in the center, followed with 4 to this side, and the same way I'll stitch the same to the opposite side of this. So total 9 beads, leaving the same gaps in between like this. Now here I'd be holding the Zardozi string of gold color small size and giving the stitch like this, giving in the shape of U or zigzag, little by little, giving an overlapping stitching like this. We have to give the stitch for the joining of this Zardozi, and in the same way we have to get back so that the work will be finished and you'll get the perfection with the defining of earring pattern or the jewelry hanging pattern. From here I'd be continuing the stitch, also overlapping the Zardozi string in the centers, and in the same way zigzag I'd be getting back here. And now this time we are stitching to another side so that the beads will be embellished with this Zardozi. Instead of zardosi, you can also try with the stone lace or the pearl lace or honey color stone lace, because it will really gives the rich and elegant look. And in between these, I'd be working with the beads of two different sizes, and once completed, this is how it looks. You can try this jewelry designer pattern on the neckline, also on the sleeves for the defining, or else you can try as a unique designer booty. Randomly you can try this on your plain sarees to turn into designer sarees, or else overall designing on blouse. Hope the sharing of an idea is useful to you all. If you like it, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your comment circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much.